I'm Gideon from Gideon Creations, and I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Turtles. So starting with the head, that's what I would do. I would do his eyes, mask. I would do this. Okay. On the arms of the belt. Now I'm gonna do the belt. Do this. That's what I would do. Do my leg. This one. If you want, you can do this. You can do this. That. Whatever thing you want. Right now I'm gonna do this. Too big. Well, don't care. I will do this. Now I do brain. And I'm gonna do the weapons too soon after I do this. If you like this video, and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. If you would like me to draw something, leave it in a comment down below. A pencil with a sharpener or an eraser. First, you're gonna have to listen to me. Tell you how to do Okay, I'm gonna start that off. No! Hey, I'm from Gideon Creations, and hey, I'm Gideon from Gideon Creations.